Hello. Uh, Today I'm gonna show you two things that I did. One is a program, and the other one is an app. So the program is made with Kotlin, and here in IntelliJ IDEA, which is the IDE environment for developing Kotlin, the preferred one, and it's really good. Um, what I did here is create a class called friend with two parameters, which are the attributes for this class, the name and the age. Each are one. The name like a non-variable um, value, so it's a value. It's not private, but if I wanted, I could make this private. And this uh, integration mark is makes this to be null. So this is like a null save method of programming and creating this class. Um, Here I made this function, this which is a method for this class called greet. What this does, it gets the parameters, the attributes from the class, and just says, "Hi, my name is whatever this person's name is, and this is my age." And this is just the basically the user, like the interface for this program. And here's the logic: there's an if statement, and this is the condition. That the condition is that there has to be at least one friend, right? You have to have at least one friend or create one, and it's going to repeat as the number of friends you enter there. And this is going to create a list of friends for whichever how many friends you want or you have. And then I was going to ask you for each friend, how what is the name of your friend and how old is your friend. Then it's going to create here the friend object, and then you're going to append that to the list. And then here you're gonna use a loop for for just every friend to greet you. And let's see how it goes. Let's get it done. And okay, so right now I'm gonna add two friends. One is gonna be Juan, that's me, 22. The other friend's gonna be my roommate, and he's actually 19. And then each friends greets and just returns 0. This is my first thing that I did. Then I went a little bit far. I went a little bit far, and this is what I did. I did an app. So for this app, this is the design. So it's just basically a welcome message to begin. Enter the name and age of your friend. So here you enter the name, then you enter the age. You click this button, and here you see nothing, but there's actually like a text view, which is gonna display uh, the greeting, and this is really cool. So here what I added was basically these um, elements from the XML design that I did, and then I created this class, which is really similar to the class we had in the other program. And I this time I made private these attributes. So it's basically the same. But then here, this is kind of tricky because here you have to learn actually how to work on Android, like with Kotlin and all that. Um, so this is the main, let's say the main function, the main class, sorry. And here you're just calling the layout to be the activity main and to be the content view, like the container and all that. So here I created this variable. Wait, I called this variable that I created before and say to be this element from the XML. And then I start with the friend text view invisible because I don't want anyone to see like there's nothing there. But then whenever you create, or in other words, when you enter the input and you ask for the friend and the age, you're gonna create again a friend object, and you're gonna enter these parameters, which are the input for the text edit element. And then here, what you're gonna do is um, to display the greet, the greeting from the from new friend object, which is the object that we created with the class that we had before. And then after that, we're gonna make that visible. So let's try this, and let's we have here our phone. Let's close this because this is just really logs, which are not really important. I want you to see the phone. So here I'm gonna write Juan, right? And I'm gonna say this 22. So here you see nothing, right? But when I click here, you see your friend. And something cool about this is you can change this however you want, and it's gonna work. It's gonna change. There are features I want to include here, I want to change, and things I want to do, but this is my main program and app that I made with Kotlin.